In the vast expanse of your garden, you're bound to encounter different kinds of pests and entire rodent communities thriving beneath the grass and plants. The comparison between voles and shrews is important for understanding their distinct characteristics and habitats that could make a difference in how much they might damage your yard. Voles, these small rodents similar in size to a mole, can be particular nuisances with their propensity for chewing on plant roots and scattering seeds. They possess black eyes, small ears, and a blunt face. On the other hand, shrews are tiny mammals with silver dollar-sized bodies, rounded ears, and short, pointed snouts. By grasping these distinctions and their separate impacts on your garden, we can better appreciate the need to take measures to preserve their natural habitats while mitigating potential harm to our lawns. Voles and shrews, both inhabitants of your garden, are small mammals that belong to the order Eulepodifla. Voles, rodent-like creatures that are similar in size to moles, have a body length that ranges from 4 to 6 inches. They bear distinct characteristics such as black eyes, small ears, and a blunt face. Shrews, conversely, are the tiny creatures hiding in your grass, possessing silver dollar-sized bodies and short, pointed snouts. They are known for their high metabolic rate, which requires them to eat almost constantly, including insects that could otherwise harm your plants. Understanding these traits is essential for distinguishing these two species, grasping their distinct habitats, and planning conservation and pest management strategies. Understanding the size, color, and habitat preferences of voles and shrews is crucial for home gardeners and conservationists alike. Studies of their respective behavior can show how to prevent plant damage in your yard. Identifying these species is paramount to conducting population surveys and implementing successful conservation measures. A grasp of their habitats helps in devising adequate pest control methods while still promoting the conservation of suitable environments for these small mammals. By incorporating this knowledge, we can strike a balance between maintaining a beautiful garden and ensuring the preservation of biodiverse ecosystems. Background on voles and shrews: importance of understanding their size, color, and habitat. Voles, size and color, comparison of size between different vole species, variation in coat color among voles. Voles, habitat, preferred habitats of voles, adaptations for their habitat. Shrews, size and color, comparison of size between different shrew species, variation in coat color among shrews. Shrews, habitat, preferred habitats of shrews, adaptations for their habitat. Summary adaptations for their habitat. Summary adaptations for their habitat. Summary voles teeth from their habitat. Summary those in terms of size, color, and habitat, importance of preserving their natural habitats. Background on voles and shrews. Voles are often found burrowing in your garden underneath the grass and roots. Also known as meadow mice, voles' physical characteristics include relatively large black eyes, small ears, and a blunt face. Their color varies depending on the species, ranging from reddish to brown with occasional black patches and a gray underside. This variation helps them blend with their natural surroundings, protecting them from predators while posing potential problems for garden owners. Vole species can slightly differ in size. The meadow vole, for instance, smaller in size, averaging around 4 to 5 inches, while the pine vole is typically larger with a body length of 5 to 6 inches. Being mindful of these size differences is all part of a comprehensive understanding of these creatures that surreptitiously reside in your yard and can cause damage to your plants and grass. Voles exhibit significant variation in the color of their coat, which can differ within and among species. Common colors include reddish-brown and black, with some having a gray or a silver tint. Seasonal and geographical variations can also affect their coat color. This form of natural camouflage allows voles to blend with their habitats, evade predators, and unfortunately remain undetected in home gardens, giving rise to potential damage. Importance of understanding their size, color, and habitat. While voles are adaptable and can thrive in various habitats, they are particularly fond of seemingly ordinary lawns or gardens. This love for your yard and ornamental plants often makes these small mammals a familiar sight for home gardeners worldwide. Having this knowledge can aid in understanding how best to manage voles and shrews alike in a manner that respects their natural behavior while still preserving the beauty and function of domestic gardens. As insectivores, voles commonly inhabit grasslands, meadows, marshes, and forested areas. They are typically found in habitats with dense vegetation, allowing them to flourish while providing much-needed cover and protection from predators. The selection of these areas with access to water sources such as streams or ponds further boosts their diet and general well-being. Boasting an impressive ability to construct elaborate tunnel systems underground, voles create a network of caves that serve as their homes. These underground tunnels shield them from harsh weather conditions and predators and give them free rein to change their environment actively. Thus, voles demonstrate a strong adaptation to different habitats, significantly contributing to their success as a species. Voles habitually create a network of intricate underground burrows, an adaptation that lends itself to their survival in various areas. As excellent problem solvers, voles have small, agile paws and sharp incisors, perfect for gnawing on grasses and earthworms, and also to circumvent traps and navigate their built environment. Their size and agility help them make the most of their surroundings, weaving through dense vegetation and narrow tunnels. These valuable habits reinforce voles' propensity to survive in various ecosystems. Shrews are small mammals ranging about 3 to 4 inches in body length. They bear a striking mouse-like appearance with a long, pointed snout, small eyes, and a short, dense fur coat. Able to blend seamlessly into their surroundings due to their brown, gray, or black color variations, shrews have evolved to maintain efficient prevention strategies against potential predators. The diverse range of sizes and colors within the shrew species is a testament to their wide adaptability. Voles, size and color. Despite their small size, shrews exhibit a dynamic range of physical characteristics, with size varying notably among species. For instance, the pygmy shrew measures a mere 2 inches in length, while the water shrew can reach up to 5 inches. This diversity within the shrew family illustrates the unique adaptations developed for each of their specific habitats. Shrew species also vary in their coat color, ranging from dark brown or blackish tinges to shades of gray or even reddish brown. This range in fur coloration that serves as a camouflage enables shrews to blend right into their unique environments, emphasizing the diversity among the species and their adaptability to different habitats. Shrews populate a myriad of habitats spanning from forests to grasslands, wetlands, and even anthropogenic regions globally. Their remarkable adaptability enables them to thrive in these diverse environments, with a particular fondness for dense vegetation and areas teeming with ground cover. Such places provide protection and an abundant array of food sources, effectively catering to the needs of these tiny insectivores. They can be found burrowing in soil, searching for delicious grubs, constructing nests in leaf litter, or inhabiting the underground tunnels of other small mammals. Their small size enables them to navigate through narrow spaces, making them well-suited for life in shrubs, bushes, and dense undergrowth filled with towering trees. As they maneuver under the bark of such trees or above the surface of snow during winter, these critters fill an important role in the ecosystem. By exhibiting such versatility in various habitats, shrews play an important role as predators of insects and small invertebrates, while also serving as prey for larger animals. Comparison of size between different vole species. In the expansive landscape of nature, shrews occupy a variety of habitats around the world, reflecting diverse types of ecosystems. These habitats include forests with towering trees, grasslands strewed with bark and litter, wetlands crisscrossed with mammal-made trails, and even urban areas blanketed with snow during winter. Their adaptable nature allows them to thrive even in environments harsh for other types of animals. Shrews are particularly fond of dense vegetation and areas with abundant ground cover, as they provide ample protection and food sources. Whether burrowing in the soil, constructing nests in leaf litter, or inhabiting the underground tunnels of other small mammals, shrews feed because their small size enables them to navigate through narrow spaces. The trails they carve under mountains of snow or the dense undergrowth of the forest surface make them well suited for life in shrubs, bushes, and dense folds of their chosen habitats. By inhabiting various habitats, shrews play an important role in the ecosystem as predators of insects and small invertebrates, while also serving as prey for larger animals. Voles and shrews have developed a range of adaptations that allow them to thrive in their respective habitats. Voles, a burrowing mammal, possess strong front feet with large claws for digging intricate tunnel systems either in the surface soil or underneath layers of snow. Shrews, on the other hand, with short and pointed snouts, are ideal for hunting grubs and other critters in confined spaces. Moreover, their short tails and smaller size enable them to easily navigate through dense vegetation and narrow underground tunnels created by other animals. Variation in coat color among voles. Their fur color can range from brown to gray, often appearing blackish. Besides roaming under the undergrowth, they also search for grubs and critters in layers of forest snow. Understanding these differences is crucial for accurately identifying and preserving their natural habitats, as both voles and shrews play unique ecological roles in their respective ecosystems. Preserving the natural habitats of both voles and shrews is of paramount importance for their survival and the overall ecosystem. These small mammals, each representing a different type of animal species, play crucial roles in maintaining the health and resilience of their respective ecosystems. Voles contribute to seed dispersal and soil health in forested landscapes, while shrews help control insect populations under the frosty surface of winter snow. By protecting their habitats, we can ensure that these two small animals, but essential critters, have access to food, shelter, and suitable breeding environments. Voles habitat. Voles are adaptable rodents and can be found in a variety of habitats. They are commonly found in grasslands, meadows, marshes, and forested areas. Voles prefer habitats with dense vegetation, as it provides them with cover and protection from predators. They also prefer areas with access to water sources, such as streams or ponds. Voles construct elaborate tunnel systems underground, creating a network of burrows that serve as their homes. These underground tunnels provide them with shelter and protection from harsh weather conditions and predators. Voles are highly skilled at exploiting their environment and can thrive in a wide range of habitats. Their ability to adapt to different habitats contributes to their success as a species. Preferred habitats of voles. Voles are adaptable rodents and can be found in a variety of habitats. They are commonly found in grasslands, meadows, marshes, and forested areas. Voles prefer habitats with dense vegetation, as it provides them with cover and protection from predators. They also prefer areas with access to water sources, such as streams or ponds. Voles construct elaborate tunnel systems underground, creating a network of burrows that serve as their homes. These underground tunnels provide them with shelter and protection from harsh weather conditions and predators. Voles are highly skilled at exploiting their environment and can thrive in a wide range of habitats. Their ability to adapt to different habitats contributes to their success as a species. Adaptations for their habitat. Voles have several adaptations that help them thrive in their habitats. One key adaptation is their ability to create a network of intricate underground burrows. These burrows provide them with shelter and protection from predators. Voles also have sharp incisors that they use to gnaw on vegetation, allowing them to access food sources in their habitat. Additionally, their small size and agility enable them to navigate through dense vegetation and narrow tunnels. These adaptations allow voles to make the most of their habitat and survive in a variety of ecosystems. Shrews, size and color. Shrews are small mammals measuring around 3 to 4 inches in body length. They are typically smaller than moles and have a mouse-like appearance. Shrews have a long, pointed snout, small eyes, and a short, dense coat of fur. When it comes to color, shrews have variations depending on the species. They can range from brown to gray to black, with some species having lighter underbellies. The coloration of shrews helps them blend in with their surroundings and provides camouflage from predators. Overall, shrews exhibit a wide range of sizes and colors within their species. Comparison of size between different shrew species. Shrews, despite their small size, exhibit variations in size depending on the species. Generally, shrews range from 3 to 4 inches in body length. However, it is important to note that different house shrews belong to species can vary in size. For example, the pygmy shrew is one of the smallest shrew species, measuring about 2 inches in length. On the other hand, the water shrew can reach up to 5 inches in length. These size differences amongst shrew species highlight the diversity within the shrew family and the adaptations they have developed for their specific habitats. Variation in coat color among shrews. Shrews, despite their small size, exhibit variations in coat color depending on the species. While most shrew species have a dark brown or blackish coat, some species also display shades of gray or reddish brown. The coloration of their fur serves as a form of camouflage, allowing them to blend into their specific habitat. This variation in coat color among shrews demonstrates their ability to adapt to different environments and highlights the diverse range of species within the shrew family. Shrews, habitat. Shrews occupy a variety of habitats around the world, including forests, grasslands, wetlands, and even urban areas. Their adaptable nature allows them to thrive in diverse environments. Shrews are particularly fond of dense vegetation and areas with abundant ground cover, as they provide ample protection and food sources. They can be found burrowing in soil, constructing nests in leaf litter, or inhabiting the underground tunnels of other small mammals. Their small size enables them to navigate through narrow spaces, making them well-suited for life in shrubs, bushes, and dense undergrowth. By inhabiting various habitats, shrews play an important role in the ecosystem as predators of insects and small invertebrates, while also serving as prey for larger animals. Preferred habitats of shrews. Shrews occupy a variety of habitats around the world, including forests, grasslands, wetlands, and even urban areas. Their adaptable nature allows them to thrive in diverse environments. Shrews are particularly fond of dense vegetation and areas with abundant ground cover, as they provide ample protection and food sources. They can be found burrowing in soil, constructing nests in leaf litter, or inhabiting the underground tunnels of other small mammals. Their small size enables them to navigate through narrow spaces, making them well-suited for life in shrubs, bushes, and dense undergrowth. By inhabiting various habitats, shrews play an important role in the ecosystem as predators of insects and small invertebrates, while also serving as prey for larger animals. Adaptations for their habitat. Voles and shrews have developed a range of adaptations that allow them to thrive in their respective habitats. Voles, being burrowing rodents, possess strong front feet with large claws for digging intricate tunnel systems underground. They also have proportionate hind feet that aid in maneuvering through tunnels and escaping predators. Shrews, on the other hand, have short and pointed snouts, ideal for hunting and capturing small prey in confined spaces. Their short tails and small size enable them to navigate through dense vegetation and narrow underground tunnels easily. Both species have evolved physical attributes that enhance their survival in specific habitats. Summary of the main differences between voles and shrews in terms of size, color, and habitat. Voles and shrews differ significantly in size, color, and habitat. Voles, similar in size to moles, measure about 4 to 6 inches in length, while shrews are considerably smaller, no more than 3 inches in size. Voles exhibit a variety of coat colors, including shades of gray and brown, while shrews usually have brown or blackish fur. In terms of habitat, voles prefer grassy areas and woodland edges, while shrews inhabit diverse environments such as forests, meadows, and even urban gardens. Understanding these distinctions allows for better conservation efforts tailored to their specific needs. Importance of preserving their natural habitats. Preserving the natural habitats of both voles and shrews is of utmost importance for their survival and the overall ecosystem. These small mammals play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of their respective ecosystems. Voles contribute to seed dispersal and soil health, while shrews help control insect populations. By protecting their habitats, we can ensure they have access to food, shelter, and suitable breeding environments. Additionally, conserving these habitats helps preserve biodiversity and promotes the health and resilience of the surrounding ecosystem. It is our responsibility to protect these habitats and safeguard the future of voles, shrews, and the entire ecosystem.